So there's a bird out there, a green parrot named Tiko, who is known for singing classic songs like "Sweet Child of Mine," or actually not "Sweet Child of Mine," "Patience," um, Led Zeppelin's "Stairway to Heaven," and other classic rock songs. And well, for a parrot, he does a pretty good job. Now let's see if this link will work and we can check him out.
Singing parrot. We do link the Black Crowes.
This is the Black Crows. She talks to angels. Let's see if this works.
Untitled Google Chrome. The Black Crowes News Google Chrome.
Oh crap. Oh crap.
What? The Black Crowes list with 4 items.
Why didn't they link to the video? Hold on. This is just
link inauguration Bernie on album covers. This is the Black Crowes heading level 1.
God, where is it?
View site information menu 00:01:07 button rec.
Hang on.
Discord row 1 call. Streamlabs OBS row.
I didn't want you to
start
close
window.
the internet. Where is it?
The Black Crowes.
Right, go back. Oh, wait. It was opening a new window. Okay.
Singing parrot tack.
There we go. Come on, speak.
Singing parrot. Link Grohl plus Lemmy's disgusting apartment. Link inauguration Bernie on clickable singing figure Lauren list with 2 items t-shirt tweet link Guns N' Roses Van Halen Frank Led Zeppelin Frank Maglio link.
There it is.
Untitled Google Chrome. https://w Frank Maglio YouTube Google Chrome. Frank Maglio YouTube visited link YouTube home.
All right.
Main landmark clickable play all button link. Clickable button collapsed clickable heading level 3 link Everlong by Frank Maglio 1 day ago. Clickable Gray Street by Frank. Clickable January 7. Clickable Life's Been Good by Frank. Clickable Unchained by Clickable She Talks to Angels by Frank.
There we go. She Talks to Angels. Let's check this out.
It's meat.
Oh crap!
Mainland.
It's red,
left paren,
white,
mute left
and green.
Paren. Next left. Pause left.
It's lab
clickable skip
grown.
add button.
No ad. That's the parrot. I think that's him playing too. The greatest thing ever.
Cap K.
Oh my god. If that doesn't put you in a good mood, I don't know what does. Let's listen to a little bit more and then
Cap K.
I'm out.
Cap K.
Alright, okay. I'm in a good mood now.
Streamlabs OBS.
And I hope
button,
you are too.
Button rec. 00:03:54. Button rec.
Alright, bye everybody.